Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 22nd August 2025, Friday, Avani Masam 6th. Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsharidho, Avani Masam, that is Simha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tidhi up to 12:56 p.m, Chaturdashi, then Amavasyaya. Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to night 1:54 a.m, Ailyam, then Maha-Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guligalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam 6 Dhanu Rashi, Prayachittam Jangari, Shraddha Amavasyaya. Amavasya means Vastu day, time 3:18 p.m. to 3:54 p.m.